Hey, I'm Margot. Today we're here to show you how to use the new Dear John coffee shampoo bar and give you a sneak peek of how it's made. This packaging-free shampoo bar lasts up to 80 washes. That's about 2 bottles of liquid shampoo. To start, create a lather and then massage it into your hair. A blend of ground coffee, clove bud, shine-enhancing molasses, caffeine powder, and cocoa powder wakes up sluggish scalps. Then we add an essential oil blend featuring grounding cedarwood and vetiver to create a light, lingering fragrance that lasts all day. We mix these ingredients together with our lathering agent. Add real coffee beans as a finishing touch, then press the bars into shape. Follow with your favorite solid conditioner to keep your hair routine plastic-free. Now you can enjoy your shiny, healthy, happy hair. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment below so we know what you'd like to see in our next videos.